Let's talk about trucks. Chevy, Ford, or Ram? What do you like? Hey, let's get out the truck. I know everybody loves their pickup trucks, whether you're a Ford man, whether you're a Chevrolet man, or whether you like Ram trucks or whatever it is you like. I know a lot of times there's a little bit of joking around and feuding, I guess you could say, between different people who like different trucks, especially here in America. We don't feud here in America, do we? I don't know, but anyway, so the thing about it is all these trucks, all these American trucks, they have really good lines of trucks as far as Ram, Chevrolet, and Ford are concerned. And like I always say in my videos, a lot of times I'm not even really partial to either or, so I'm going to give you a really unbiased, kind of look at different trucks and different makes of trucks, I should say. And Ford, being probably the first vehicle line in the U.S. They make really good trucks. Ford makes really good trucks that's four-wheel drive and different things. And I have a little more about these trucks, and that's in the article here with this video. Whether you're on the website, you can click over here, over there, wherever it's at, or on whatever social media you're on, and check out a lot more than I'm going to say on this video that talks about the different lines of trucks here in the U.S. As far as Ford, Chevrolet, and Ram is concerned. And what are you? Just comment on here and tell me what you like. If you like Ford trucks, F-150s, F-250s, F-350s, or whatever. Or if you like, your Ram 1500s, or if you like your if you like your Chevrolet Silverados, whatever truck you like, just get with me and tell me about it more underneath this video, or on the website, comment on the website or whatever, and let us know on whatever social media you're on what truck you have and what trucks you like. And there is kind of a feud, I guess you could say. I don't want to say feud, but there's a little bit of tension between the Chevy and the Dodge guys, or the Ford and the Chevy guys, or whatever, but they all have good lines of trucks that can be used in amazing ways, I know when you own a truck and you're able to do some more things with a truck than you can do just with a car or SUV or anything, and the trucks are the working man's vehicles. These pickup trucks are a working man's vehicle, and not only a working man's vehicle, but they make some trucks anymore, probably for the past 20 years or more. They've been making trucks with the cabs on the insides of the trucks, even 10 times better than any car out there. We've got some massage. I think some of the trucks was the first ones with the massaging seats, So you can pay a lot of money for a truck and have a really nice truck, and travel really nicely in a truck, more than you can a little compact car or something, So trucks are in a line, in a league of their own, and in general, the pickup trucks. And so just let me know what pickup truck it is you like, and what pickup truck maybe you have, and why you don't like Ford, or why you don't like Chevy, or why you don't like Dodge, or Ram, I should say. Just let us know what you think. I'm not going to keep you much longer in this video. Check out the article. It tells you a lot more about these trucks and what I think about the different lines. So y'all have a great and wonderful day.